Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Ford from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for May 21st, 2017. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week and what we might expect this week. Well, for a second straight session, we did see a rebound for U.S. equities. The Dow was up 141 points. We still have nice momentum higher here, and we haven't quite made back the loss from last week. We did finish lower for the week, but we made back a little more than half of that. And look poised for more gains here. The S&P 500 was up 16 points, while the NASDAQ market was up 28, and the Russell was up 6. Now, the Russell is looking a little worse than the others. Look at momentum. It has turned negative. Even Friday's action, we gave up about half of the gains that we had earlier in the session, but we are still well within this range. So it is still very important to keep an eye not only on the highs here for a break, but on the lows. We'll see which one gives way first, but we're pretty much smack dab in the middle of it. So I think we're several trading sessions, potentially even weeks away from either the high or the low being taken out. Now, bonds and gold, if you look at TLT, the 20-year Treasury ETF, here, and look at it on a weekly time frame, and same with gold. I'll get to that in a second, but looks like we could be in for a nice bounce. We were trending sharply lower here, have now moved not only above the moving average here, but above these recent highs. So we have put in a higher high here, and now on the retracement, we not only bounce off that support area, off that 20-period moving average, but we put in a low pivot, and it is a higher low. So now we have a higher high, higher low situation, and we finished the week strongly here on TLT. This could turn into a multi-week move to the upside, and gold looks very similar here. Once again, we have higher highs and higher lows bouncing off that upsloping 20. We could be in for multi-week a multi-week move higher on gold. Now, crude, what's important about crude this week is that on Thursday, we have another OPEC meeting. And so the result of that will be certainly important, but crude was up another 98 cents at the close on Friday. Now, as I'm recording this video, seeing news that North Korea has fired another missile. Again, it just happened. Not quite sure what the fallout will be. I highly suggest you keep an eye on equity futures when they reopen this evening to see if there is any fallout from that, and what the news will be for the rest of the day on that situation. But we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll look for a continuation of these moves for equities, bonds, and gold. All right, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.